Hello, my name is Nitesh Misra and this is my new project named alarmClock. I have been given a project in which I have to make an alarm clock. So this is the file structure of my project, and here is a main index root file, and it mainly contains the HTML code in it, and here is a JavaScript file which handle all the functions related to the project, and here is another file named style.css which is mainly responsible for styling to the project, and here is asset folder which mainly contain the audio. Hello, so this is the alarm clock, and if I want to add a alarm, so I can add alarm to the so I can add it to the alarm clock, and if I want to add multiple alarms, so I can do that also. So let's assume I want to set an alarm which is just going to happen. So here is some important checks added to the project also. If let's assume someone wants to add the alarm without setting the time, so if I click for the alarm, then it shows that you have not enter a valid time. Let's assume I want to set it 55, not 55, it is not going to happen. I'm not able to make it at that speed, so set alarm. So here alarm is added. So just wait for the that moment to happen the magic. Yes, it's happened. So if I want to stop it, I can stop it. And if I want to delete the previous alarm or current alarm, so I can do also. So this is the whole project. Thank you so much.